Hi guys, it's your Unit 4 test week, and I'm going to walk you through the steps to be able to complete your test successfully and do some review before starting your test. Alright, so I'm on your overview page, and here's our video for the week. Click there to watch. You have your virtual class times, which will be Monday at 11. We'll do a whole group test review, and then Wednesday, I'm just going to have pop-in office hours if you have any final questions before the test, okay? I've given you a suggested pacing on Monday, watching the video and attending the virtual class review. Tuesday, doing study guide part 1, checking your answer key. Wednesday, doing the second part of your study guide, checking with your answer key, popping into our virtual class if you had any last minute questions on either of those study guides. Thursday, taking your test. And then Friday, finishing up your exponent learning path or assessment 10 if you did not complete that last week. Alright, I'm going to walk you through the learning path that shows you exactly how to take your test. So let's go there next. Okay, I've given you one page of review that you can do. I do have some notes that I've just jotted down for you on the unit. I've given you a link to our virtual Teams meeting on Monday, and then here is your study guides, part 1 and part 2. During our meeting on Monday, we will be working some of the study guide together, so you'll be able to get a jump start on those. You can see that the answer keys for the study guides are also posted there. The next thing would be to take your test. You'll notice that just as usual, we'll have our honesty pledge saying that this is your work. Obviously, you can use a calculator, but that should be your only additional resource. Then your test. You have 90 minutes to take the test, and there are 35 questions. Okay? And then finally, as always, you will upload your work. You do not have to have work for every single question, but I do want to see the work that you did during your test. So make sure you're uploading that just like you've done with every other summative assignment this year. Okay? Alright, if you have questions, send me any messages. I hope to see you in our virtual class on Monday where we will be reviewing. And good luck. Bye.